Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Abdullah Server and you are watching my YouTube channel Technically. As today in this video we are going to talking about a new Tron investment project. It is already a long-term project. I also created a video on it. You can see it on my channel forsectron.io. It's now two phase. It's X2 part. You can check here 100% decentralized project. Welcome to the next level decentralized project. His previous project is also running secure and safe. You can check here receive community passive bonus on the various levels, safe and secure. Join $29, easy to roll hybrid 2x contract. You can, if you want to register, you can easily register, but I want to tell you some details of the website, so you can check here why hybrid x2 matrix. You can join here fastest blockchain chain. You can the operation this operates on the Tron blockchain ecosystem, and the apps transaction happen and lightning speed, low fees, stable joining, verified code. And scroll down, you can check here how everything work. You can also download the marketing plans of this website by clicking easily on the download plan. The current price of the FST coin is $4. It is a best coin. I already create a video on it. If you want to buy FST coin, you can easily click on the buy FST coin, and new interface of a such website come in front of you. It is browsing, so wait please. You can check here current FSC rate is 00 is showing here. Your TRX balance is 0, your TRX balance is 0. You can check here, it is now first phase, it is complete to second, and it goes to the second phase. If you want to buy FST coin, you can type here amount of FST coin you want to buy. If you want to buy 10 FST coin, you can type here and the amount of the TRX show here. If you want to buy, easily click on the FST coin and you can buy it. If you want to sell them, you can click on the sell FST coins and type the amount, and you can easily sell it out and gain too much profit. The number of the referrals show here, then the total gain from referrals also shows here. This is the best project. It's now 2x phase. You can easily earn a lot from it. So we go further on the website of the detail. You can check here for FST index circulation. You can check here and total supply FST coins and current supply HFSC coin. If you want to start investment on this project, you must have 50 TRX in your wallet, and you can check here. If you want to download the marketing plan, you can easily click on the download marketing plan. When you click on that download marketing plan, such type of the interface the website come in front of you. You can easily download the PDF files of them and understand them what is the marketing plan of this project. This is the 100% decentralized project. The admin cannot withdraw your money, and so it is not a scam. If you have any question, you can also check here frequently asked question. What is hybrid x2 matrix? Who administers hybrid x2 matrix? What is the Tron blockchain? You can also check your all questions here. If you want to join them on social networks, you can click on the Telegram, YouTube, Facebook. You can also join them on both. So let's start the video. And how to create your account, I will tell you all details of this. So before starting investment in this project, you must have a Tron wallet. How to create a Tron wallet? You can also watch a tons of video available on the YouTube, and easily download the Tron link extension. I click on the Tron link extension. I am using in computer, so I install instruction, and I can easily use it. So this is the link I will provide you in the description. If you click on the link, and you can easily create your wallet. I have already installed the extension. You can check here my Tron wallet is there. I can easily open my account. You can easily create your account, and if you have 50 TRX in your wallet, you can easily start your investment here. You can check my balance is 3830 Tron. This is my balance. So goes on the website and tell how to join this website. You can easily click on the join us. If you want to register on them, when you click on the link provided in the description, simply you can click on the registration or login. When you click on the registration or login button, such type of the interface of the website come in front of you. First it shows unfortunately this wallet is not active member of the website. You can join below the program. So you copy this address provided below and copy it and paste it in the enter Tron wallet, and you can and your account is login manually. When you click on the login manually, your account is open in front of the you. You can check here my account is browsing, and it will open now. You can check here pools profit $26, uni level $43, level profit $6385, and total earned $2943. It is a statistics of the website. You can check here the active plans, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. If you want to swipe your money, you can easily click on the swipe button and you can swipe your tokens from FST to another coin which price is growing day by day. You can type here USDF coin and you can click you and your balance shows there of FST coin. You can click on the swipe now and you can exchange your tokens easily from here. The number of the referrals your shows in the partners. When you click on the partners button, the number of total referrals of the website in and working under below you shows here. You can check here my referrals. This is they are working under my concern. They are working under my, and you can copy your referral link and share it in your Telegram, then WhatsApp, and earn a lot from your refer commission. And the refer percentage in this website is 25%. That is very high. And you can also check here the current analytics of the website going up on the website. So you must copy your link and share it to your Telegram and WhatsApp group. My Telegram group is provided in the description. You must have to join it for further updates. The other one section is direct users. You can click on the direct user and check your direct user in this website. These are under below show. The upline shows here and loss profits shows here. If you want to buy FSC coin, so you must have a active Tron wallet and have 50 Tron to start investing here. So if you want to buy, I told you that how you can buy and sell FSC coin. The current price of the FSC coin is $4. It starts from 0.01 cent and its price is now going up. If you want to buy them, go and buy them and earn a lot from them. When the rate increases, you can sell FSC coin easily and earn a lot from Tron. This is the best and 100% decentralized project. If you want to talk admin and ask anything from the admin, you can click on the social icons and easily talk to them. This is the best Tron investment project. So you must install the extension of the Tron Link Pro and have. If you want to buy and exchange Tron, you can contact me easily. I will provide you Trons for the free, or if you want to buy it from me, you can easily buy it from me. This is the best project. If you want to invest them, you invest and if you want to invest in the Tron strategy, this is the best one. If you want to invest, then invest and get up too much profit. So meet up me next. So goodbye friends, we will talk in a next video with a new project. So bye friends.